I'm not going to waste your time here. Here's a no BS guide on how to get model tier facial aesthetics. Let's begin. Step 1. Lose face fat. Losing fat on your face is necessary for an aesthetic look and a sharp jawline. You're tired of hearing this advice, I know, bro. Here's a no BS step-by-step guide on how to lose fat. The first one is being in a calorie deficit. Being in a calorie deficit will cause your body to lose its fat. If you don't believe me, bro, look it up on Google. If you want to know how many calories you need to consume to lose fat, go on a calorie calculator, fill in your stats, and it'll give you the data. The problem with most people is that they don't count their calories. Trust me, if you want to lose fat, counting the calories is necessary. And avoid forgetting to count extra calories in your food like oil. They play a huge difference, bro. The second one is doing cardio regularly. Do cardio like jogging 4 times a week, and you'll lose 1 kilogram of fat each month. Cardio not only makes your face chiseled, but also your body, almost like a Greek god. The third one is consistency. I know you heard it before, but it's true. With anything in life, discipline each day for a long period of time will take you further than one day where you're feeling super motivated. You need to stick to your diet and stay consistent for months before seeing any progress. Trust me, bro, just start now, you'll thank me later. Step 2. Hydration. Drinking enough water will prevent dehydration from when you wake up, where your face is puffy and round. Drink at least 1 liter of water each morning when you wake up to prevent your face from being swollen. Step 3. Work out regularly. Weightlifting will fix your body proportions and will lead to a body recomposition. Basically, it is the state of your body where you lose fat and gain muscle at the same time. You can do your own research if you want to know more about it. But working out will make your body look sexy, but will also restructure your jaw and face muscles. By restructure, I mean remove the fat. I have linked a workout routine in the description down below, and it contains an at-home alternative too, so you have no excuses. And because I really want you to glow up, I made a detailed step-by-step video on how to achieve an aesthetic body. It contains all the muscle groups you need to hit and the principles you need to follow. Go check it out if you're interested. Step 4. Fix your teeth. The composition of your teeth influence the way your face fat is spread. Don't believe me, ask your dentist. If you don't have straight teeth, go get them fixed. This will help you immensely by widening your jaw or making it go more forward. Step 5. Skincare. The first thing people look at when they're talking to me is my face. People judge others in 1 second after seeing their face. It's sad to hear, but it's the truth. So making your skin glowing and clear will increase your facial aesthetics. Take care of your skin. It will make your life 10 times easier. I've linked a video I've made before on how to get glass skin. If you liked this video, you'll probably like the next one. Peace out, bro.